Welcome to Wheezing the Juice. No wheezing the juice.
With a purposeful grimace and a terrible sound, he pulls the spinning high tension wires down. Helpless people on subway trains scream the guide as he looks in on them.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye, buddy.